I'm Tatiana and I am back with another video with True and Pure Texture extensions. To achieve this curly flip over quick weave, I'm going to be using three 20-inch bundles by True and Pure Texture and their texture, Sasha Curl. Sasha Curl is known for its versatility with the ability to be worn curly or straight. And these are the extensions before I shampooed them and brushed them out. And this is what the true texture is after completely shampooing and brushing them out. To create that voluminous flip over look, I bring all of my wefts going forward and then I'm going to be forcing them to go back by applying this last weft very close to my leave out, and it's going to create a natural stacked hump that gives you that instant volume at the top. To blend my leave out, I'm going to use some Nairobi foam, mold my hair down, and use some perm rods to create my curly look. I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes, and from there I'm going to mold my curls with some edge control, do some light styling, light misting, and we will be done.